So in this problem, we're told that Jackie has two summer jobs. She works as a tutor, which pays $12 per hour, and she works as a lifeguard, which pays $9.50 per hour. She can work no more than 20 hours per week, but she wants to earn at least $220 per week. Which of the following system of equalities represents this situation in terms of x and y, where x is the number of hours she tutors and y is the number of hours she works as a lifeguard? And so we're given all these options. And so when you have a system of equalities or inequalities problem, what you're going to want to do is create two different equations. So let's go ahead and do that. And so let's start with the second equation, x plus y, and we can generally eliminate 2 once we find one equation. So x is going to be the number of hours she tutors, and y is going to be the number of hours she works as a lifeguard. And so what you want to pay attention is this sign right here on each of them. Whether it's greater than or less than, but we're going to be focusing on this equation first. So it says x is the number of hours she tutors and y is the number of hours she works as a lifeguard. And so it tells us that she can work no more than 20 hours per week. So the maximum number of hours she can work per week is 20. So the number of hours, which is just x plus y, right? Because it's just the number of hours she tutors plus the number of hours she works as lifeguard. We're adding those up, and that can't be more than 20. So it's got to be less than 20, right? So the number of hours she works has to be less than 20. So this is going to be our equation that represents that. And if we look at our options, D is going to be the other way, right? Because this sign's facing the other way. So it can't be D. And also can't be A, right? Because this sign's facing this way. So that's going to help us eliminate 2 of them. We just got to look at B and C now. So we're going to look at this equation to help determine that. So it's going to be 12x plus 9.5y. And so we're determining if it's less than 220 or greater than 220. And so it tells us that she can work no more than 20 hours per week, but she wants to earn at least $220 per week. And so you need to recognize that this 12x plus 9.5y is calculating the amount of money she earns, right? The number of dollars per hour times the number of hours she works for that job. And so she wants to earn at least $220. So this number can't be less than, right? So it has to be at least less than or equal to 220, because this is the minimum amount she wants to earn. So this number has to be greater than or equal to, right? So this is going to be our inequality here. And if we look at B or C, B is going to be facing the other way, right? Saying that she wants to earn less than 220, but she wants to earn at least that. So B is not going to work. And so based on what we found, the answer is going to be C. So that's going to be the answer to this problem.